least 4 times a week.
Really? Wow, awesome.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
The money I had broke dreams out.
Can I see the amps in the back too?
Way underpowered.
That's pretty cool. You got your workstation and your amp rack under it.
Yeah.
Good idea.
This is my daily driver. I work out of it every day.
Okay.
And I drive across state lines at least 4 times a week.
Really? Wow, awesome. What is these amps wired to?
Each one is at 1 ohm. These two are at 2 ohms.
Okay.
That's for my 8s and my super tweeters.
Okay.
This is an MD5K running on my 10s. It's ran at 2 ohms. And then I got an 8K on each sub that's ran at 1 ohm.
Got it. And the subs are what type of high?
Those are FI to Q Neo 18s.
18. Got it.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Nice to meet you. That was great.
Thanks.
What's going on, everyone? This is CPILLAR. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of his system. This was at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. He's going to be giving us a 2-song bass demo. The second song got a little bit lower than the first, you'll see. And if you didn't already hear, these are the Phi Q Neo 18-inch subs. They're rated around 1700 to 2000 watts RMS. Didn't get all the box specs, sorry about that, but I did get a quick equipment rundown. So be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. Did a really good job showcasing it. I noticed he has a passenger port instead of a center or driver port, but it still got the job done. Really well off sealed box. And he was able to have a work truck load, so he has all of his tools and equipment he could put above his amp rack. Not the prettiest by no means, but it got the job done. And all the amplifier staging underneath. I didn't really see any extra batteries underneath of there unless it's hidden. So I don't know what kind of electrical he has ran for this system, but it is 16,000 watts to these subwoofers. Definitely a powerful system for a CPILLAR wall. I'm going to go ahead and get to the bass demo. You'll get to see how much subflex we got, a little bit of outside flex. Didn't get a full walk around, sorry about that, but appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day. And thank y'all for watching all my videos. Enjoy the demo.
Just the time when it kicks down. Time to get quicksand. There's no quicksand. We up, hot in the streets like a snake. Ready for the me, I take that, bro. Doing that with everything I'll ever stay, bro. Since I just the time when it kicks down. Taking the time to get quicksand. Following me with the quicksand. I was packing on the plug, got my weed up. Hot beef in the streets, I just stay tripping. Got the gold, walk a roof is missing. Was tripping. My neighbor let me tripping. Life is just garbage. Checks I don't believe what she's.
big dog and I walk around with no leash.
Got
time, got my weed up. Hot beef in the streets, had to stay here. Trippin'. Fuck the roof. Patty boys got some 60s in my bag. Talking on the back. Got Paris VVS. Got a gun off Rodeo off the strand. All this money when I grew up I had nothing. Full backstabbing, my whole life is disgusting. But she say she done with me. Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yeah, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji. Zany boy, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my rags. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, off the joint, clothing got me tripping. Fuck the roof. My neck was tripping. My neck. Patty boys got some 60s in my bag. Talking on the back. Paris VVS. Got a gun off Rodeo off the strand. All this money when I grew up I had nothing. All life is disgusting. What she said.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.